Hi, I'll be saying a few things that shocked me in my first clinical rotation. Number one, they expected me to know everything in my first day. How? Like the questioning, the stuffing, everything. It was a lot. Number two, it is standing for long hours. Homo, you guys didn't tell us so. You did not tell us at all. The third one is that people can work in very frail and sick and they don't end up making it out of the hospital. That saddens me and shocked me at the same time. Another one is that our documentation is very important. Like there was a day I needed to clock a patient and this nurse on duty was not going to administer the medication. I said until the doctor comes to document before she administers the drug. I want you to add yours in the comments. Let's go.